Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the 5G network on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So maybe you've noticed that your battery drain is draining quite a lot and you're wondering what might be the problem. So probably the 5G network, if you have enabled it, might be the issue. Now to disable this 5G network, all you have to do is open settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select mobile networks. And then from here, choose the line that you'd like to disable the 5G for. So let's say, for instance, if you have one SIM card, you can simply tap on it. But if you have two SIM cards, find the one that you have enabled 5G for. So let's say, for instance, if I've enabled 5G on my first line, so tap on it. And then simply select preferred network type. And now from the options that appear, simply choose either LTE, 3G or 2G to disable the 5G. So let me just leave it at LTE and that will disable the 5G. You can repeat the same steps for the other SIM card if you have a dual SIM card. So tap on it and then select preferred network type and then choose any other option that might appear to disable 5G. So I'll just set it at 4G and there you go. You have successfully disabled 5G on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.